Hello everyone, welcome to another episode from Home Motors. Today I'm going to talk to you about quick tips about what you can get from your vehicle stickers. So I'm starting from passenger side. Here you have the airbag sticker. So here it says not to put your child seat in front of the seat facing up other side, because if it is that, so if the airbags pop out, this could happen. So not to put your child seat on the front seat. Then if you come to here, then there is another one stick over here. It says about some of your vehicle information. For example, it says seats 5 and it is say approval number and everything, Audi, and WAUZZZ, that's about the VIN number, and this says this vehicle was manufactured to comply with the Motor Vehicle Standard Act. So that's what it says. That's about few things you can get from the vehicle stickers. And then if you go to the bonnet, I open the bonnet, here you have some more details, and this says this is the type of the gas you have to put to the refrigerant, and this is the amount, right? Remember, you don't need 1 kilo or something. It's only 0.46 kilos in this particular Audi A3, and this is peg oil. That is the oil that you have to put to the refrigerant system when you are going to refill or when you are going to flush and put the air conditioning. So these are the numbers. So SAE, these are any numbers you can use. It's a peg oil you have to use, right? And there's something about warning. I can't read it. I don't know what's that language is. I think looks like German. No idea about it. So if you go to the driver side, here you have more information, and here about the vehicle Audi AG. WAUZ again, that's my VIN number, and it says about the weight of the car, right? And type is 8V, so this is 8V, right? And it goes here, it gives more information. The model is 8VF, right? And it says manufactured, my ID is there, and the paint code is there. It's very important if you want to repaint it. This is your paint code for your vehicle, right? It's your paint code. It's very important to know that one. And then again, the chassis number or the VIN number, and this is your engine number, and this says about when it is built. My one is built in 2017 May. There's another sticker that I can tell you, that's about the pressure, and it's really important to know the correct pressure of your tires. Now for example, just take this sticker. This is exactly the same sticker that my car has. So you can see the car indicator is given, the front wheel and the back wheel. So the bar is the unit that we use to measure the pressure. PSI, that is also unit to measure the pressure. So the front tires you should have 35, and back tire you should have 32, and if you have more passengers then you should have 38, and then rear tires you should have 41, that is in PSI. Now the important thing is, you can see always the tire pressure values are different for the front tires and the rear tires. One reason is the engine is mounted on the front, so the front tires have a higher weight, so they should have a higher pressure. So not the same pressure. So always if you put the correct pressure, has to put the correct pressure for the tires, and if you interchange your tires while you doing a service, make sure to adjust the pressure as well. One other important thing I want to tell you is about this numbers 205/55R1691W, that one. This is about your tire. 205/55R16 is your tire number, and 91W is the tire patterns, the tread patterns. So this pressure they have indicated 35, 32 or 38 and 41. I'm talking about the pascals. That is referring only to these tire patterns. So if you go to your tire, you can find out the tire patterns, right? So 205/55R16 91W, that is a tire pattern. So 91W is the tread pattern. So you have to put the correct tire, and if you have put any of the other tires, for example the bottom line, you have to change the pressures, right? So that's very important to know, rather than just having normal pressures. It might not be a big deal, but it will make sure the tire used for a maximum time
and tire wear will be minimized, and it is always helpful for the comfort to put the correct tire pressures. So the rough idea is always you have to put the higher amount of pressure to the front tires.
So those are the basic things you can get from your vehicle stickers. Thanks for watching.